Welcome to VendSoft. In this quick video, we'll take a look at the dashboard, your central hub for insights and performance tracking. When you log in, the dashboard gives you a snapshot of your vending operation. You'll find key metrics like profit and loss, showing gross sales, commissions, cost of goods sold, and overall net income. Expenses, a summary of all recorded spending. Cash flow, including cash collected, commissions, purchases, and expenses. Sales by product type, broken down by quantity and revenue. Sales by month, useful for spotting trends. Top products, so you know what's selling best. At the top, use the date range picker to filter the data by any time period you need. From the dashboard selector, you can switch between the predefined dashboards, trips data and telemetry data, and your custom dashboards. You can toggle between viewing trip-based insights or telemetry-based sales data, depending on what matters most to your workflow. Now let's talk customization. Click the Actions menu to create a new dashboard or save the current view. To start building your custom dashboard, first enter a name for it and click Save. Once it's saved, click Add Widget to begin adding elements to your dashboard. From here, you can choose exactly what you want to track, like cash collected by day or week, cash flow, comments from drivers, daily sales, expenses, and much more. Just pick the widgets that matter most to you. There are plenty more to explore. Once you've added your widgets, hit Save Dashboard to preserve your custom layout. You can also rename or delete dashboards anytime from the Actions menu. VendSoft's dashboard is designed to give you the clarity and control you need, all in one place. Thanks for watching.